You having fun, kiddo?
Ear. Blue ear.
Oh, I know, it's funny. It's a blue ear, in case you didn't hear. Yes.
Hug me.
Oh, go on. Yeah, just rotate. Oh, you got some saliva there. Okay. You seem to be getting a little worked up. It's okay. See, look what happens if you poke this one. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Colorful world out there, and not a color that it can wear. You see red and orange and green and blue. There's yellow, pink, and purple too. You find different shades wherever you go. In this colorful world, I know.
My goodness, that was quite a little song. All right, I'll leave you to play with your puppy.